Guys, welcome back to 365 Days of SEO. This is Christian Bullock. Today we're talking about a technical SEO topic, and that is when should you implement rel canonical tags for your website. So what is a rel canonical tag? Well, it's a tag you place in the head section of code on a web page that tells search engine you have a preferred URL for whatever web page that they're on. So let's say you have, this is going to be probably a really bad example, but you have a web page that displays information about a red running shoe that you sell. Now, based because of your CMS, or maybe because of how you've, whatever, you have actually 3 different URLs that display the same content for your red running shoe. If you can't figure out a way to get rid of those duplicate pieces of content on those other URLs, you'd really want to look to use a rel canonical tag to say, hey, search engines, instead of you potentially showing all 3 of these pages in your search engine results, or maybe having you kind of pick which one to show from time to time, or heck, if you potentially see this as something that is malicious and that we're trying to game the system and trying to have the same content on 3 different pages to try to rank higher or rank for more keywords, that's where you want to implement that rel canonical tag and say, hey, Google, Bing, Yahoo, I know I have 3 URLs with the same content. I would prefer that you only show this one URL in search engine results. And usually you do this because of you don't want to, again, have that sort of non-malicious intent that search engines might see and ding you if you have a duplicate content penalty. But really, usually when a CMS has this type of issue, you have one really pretty URL that's like domain.com/red running shoe. You have a super ugly URL because the user maybe sorted something before they got to the page and it has some like sorting issues. So it's like a question mark sorting, question mark price, whatever else, red running shoe. And then you have a third URL that's just crazy, that just is not user friendly, that's not clean, but it's just being done. It's being just generated because the CMS is brought up and generated in a way that just has this page show up. So in these type of instances where you have the same content on multiple URLs and you can't get rid of them due to CMS issues, whatever else, and you can't 3-in-1 redirect all those older other URLs to the one that you want, that's where you'd want to use a rel canonical tag and basically tell search engines, hey, I know this is going on, I have these pages over here, but I really want you to show this one page in search results. Sorry, but this is the way it is. And a rel canonical tag is something that's used across all search engines. They'll kind of recognize it as such. It's not something that you're not waving a white flag, so to speak, and saying, hey, I can't figure this out. This is a common problem with a lot of CMSs out there, and it's just something that just inherently happens. And search engines are okay with that, and they say, let's just use this rel canonical tag, let us know which one to show, and we'll be BFFs. So that's why you'd use a rel canonical tag on your website. Again, my name is Christian Bullock, 365daysofseo.com. We'll see you guys tomorrow.